So the gallery team decided to come down to Asheville. They said there was a lot of issues down in the arts district, which is right across the road from the Swannona River. That's where the most damage was done. The banks rose so high that this second-story building here had 3 feet of water up there. A stark reminder of what Harvey did to Houston. If you look down the way, this place has had been completely gutted. I'm on a strip easily 2 miles long that runs right next to the Swannona River. And this is what everything looks like. So we came down here to help the locals. They all pitched together. They're coming in and kind of gut this business. So individuals are in here, all volunteers, and this is all that's left. Everything has to be gone, thrown away, cut out, mold, mildew. It's just a stark reminder, like I said, of what Harvey did to the Houston area, and this is why we give back.